going on a journey. Everybody, you know me, Steve Reinharz, CEO, CTO of Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions. I have a stack of paper, as I just showed you, printed out because I am embarking on a 9-day, 5-city trip. And where I'm going is I'm going to China, visit 3 partners in 3 different cities in 3 days in China, fly over to Sri Lanka, where we just picked up another 12,000 square feet of space, and then over to Dubai to see our primary debt holder and review things with him. So I'm doing this trip about 22,000 miles in 9 days, and I've never had more challenge scheduling a trip like this trip. Sunday evening, tomorrow morning, wake-up call is going to be 5:00 a.m. I've got one more hockey game to play tonight. All right, so first bit of good luck, I would say, but playing hockey, second game, and puck got deflected straight up into my shield, and I only wear a half shield, and it could have been like a nasty impact and injury and hospitalization and cancellation of the trip, but good news is made it. So it sucks on a few levels, but mainly on the sleep side, because I was planning on kind of being able to sleep in Shanghai and get adjusted that way. In Tokyo, flight was great. It was about 5 a.m. Chicago. I slept about 2.5 hours, which I'll take as a win. All right, so not so bad. Another Dreamliner into Shanghai, a couple hours sleep. Feeling pretty good. It's 1:15 a.m. Gonna see if there's a driver waiting for me. Take me to the hotel, get a couple hours sleep. All right, almost 3 a.m. in Shanghai, in the room. Tomorrow morning, or a few hours from now, is gonna kind of suck, but hey, that's what we do. And we're off. So landed in Shanghai. We are driving about 2.5 hours plus or minus to Hangzhou, where the factory is, for day 1 of the 3 days in China. So I am exactly 12 hours ahead of Chicago, and I'm gonna get to bugging all of our team members, following up, seeing how we're doing. About 3:15 here in China. I have finished at that one factory and offices, pushed along a project that's been dragging a bit. So it's very, very good. All right, so we're through security at PVG on our way to Gang. I mispronounce that all the time. Different cultures and people see different things, so that made me smile again. Let's get you updated on this evening's adventures. It is 1:45 a.m. I am in a 5 million person city called Guiyang. One thing about China, at least in the areas that I've always been, is that it is very, 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 very safe. Good morning, it's a little after 7. So 7 hours of factory and office visit with demonstrations and all different kinds of work are complete in this great city. Well, friends, it is 11:30 in Shenzhen, China on Thursday night right now. And I have 9 hours before I get picked up tomorrow morning for 2 factory visits. Good morning, everybody. It's Friday in Shenzhen, and I slept last night. I didn't sleep long, but I slept well. I woke up early, got all kinds of stuff done. I feel great. First stop today is going to be the manufacturer that makes RADCam for us. We finished one amazing factory visit with Sarah. Yes. Sarah, who makes RADCam for us, and you've probably seen some of the footage by now. We also did a very quick stop at a second factory. And now we are in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. This Malaysia Kuala Lumpur airport is quite nice. I was greeted by a couple of our team members, and we kind of were able to go through preferred status at immigration, which I greatly appreciate. And today's schedule is pretty good. We've got some business meetings with some of the service providers in Sri Lanka that help us with different business legal related things in the country here. Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning. I'm in Sri Lanka. We're headed towards our office right now. Going to meet the team. Everybody is coming in on Sunday to spend some time with me and go through a few things, which is going to be great. Anyway, we're taking some video of our team in our office here, and tonight off to Dubai. All right, en route back to the airport for a 5-hour flight to Dubai. And now it is Monday morning. I am in Dubai. I got into Dubai late last night, about 11:30. And today, it's great. I feel relaxed. I feel ready. I'm so happy with how the last week of travel went between the meetings in China and the time in Sri Lanka. And in line now to pass through UAE's passport control. You know, some countries check your passport when you leave and when you enter. But right now, gearing up for 3 flights over 30 hours to get from Dubai back home.